Look at the average gym. Rows of machines. People sitting down, isolating one tiny muscle at a time. They're chasing a pump, but they're losing their function. You think you're getting fit, but you're just becoming a machine-dependent human. Today, we're tearing that down. We're talking about why your training is failing you, and why the primal blueprint, what they don't want you to know, is the only path back to real strength. What is masculinity if you can't even lift your own body weight? Modern fitness sells you a dream of aesthetic vanity. I'm selling you the reality of the apex predator. Your body was designed to climb, to hang, to press, and to carry. Every time you lock yourself into a machine, you're turning off your stabilizer muscles. You're becoming a decorative statue, not a functioning warrior. And don't get me started on the performance powders. If you need a synthetic pre-workout to feel alive, you're already dead. Real fuel comes from the earth. I follow the Sunnah principles: natural, whole food sources, intentional fasting, respect for the body's natural rhythms. You want testosterone? Stop eating poison wrapped in plastic. Start eating like your ancestors. You want the blueprint? It's not complex, it's consistent. Forget the bro split. We train movements, not muscles. Today we do 100 pull-ups, 100 push-ups, 100 squats. If you can't do it, start at 10, but you do it every single day. No machines, no excuses, just you, gravity, and the iron will to overcome both. The world wants you weak, tired, and distracted. It's easier to control a man who's obsessed with his reflection than a man who's obsessed with his own capability. You have a choice: stay in the comfort of the machine, or step into the wild and build yourself from the ground up. You're either the predator or the prey. Make your choice. Prydalfa. See you in the next one.